Hey viewers, this is going to be a series of videos of me rebuilding a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. It's a 4x4 5.7 Hemi. Got it on Copart. Here it is. Some minor damage right there. As you can see, the frame rails shifted to the side quite a bit. So I'm gonna have to replace them. Truck starts right up, it runs and drives. We got it torn down already. As you can see, it's a little kinked right in here. Not a big deal. These panels come right out. Spot welds here and on the inside, and one bolt holding it to the frame right in there, and they come off. So we're gonna put two new ones in. Looks like it was a city truck. Here it is. It's a tradesman, so it has the rubber floor. It's a crew cab, 5.5 foot bed. Some parts inside the bed from the teardown. It's a 2019 with only 9,000 miles on it. Bought it on Copart. And it came in a couple weeks ago, and I was trying to put together a list of parts that will be needed for this build, and it was close to $4,000 in parts with the airbags. So what I did was I went back on Copart and I found this truck right here. So this one came in last week. It was smashed into the back, and then also it was smashed into the front a little bit here. It looks like it got rear-ended and then it hit something right here. The lower control arm was knocked out. Hood is good, radiators are good. It's also a 5.7 Hemi. Starts right up, and yeah, so it has 104,000 miles on it. This one does have the 5-inch display on it, touch screen, so it does have Bluetooth. The 19 one does not. So I evaluated the damage on this one, took the bed off, saw that there was no frame damage except for this little piece, which is actually part of this. So I kind of felt bad parting this truck out. I got a real good deal on it. I needed $4,000 in parts for the 19 Ram, and I paid $3,100 for this truck. So after looking at the damage, I decided I will go back on Copart. And I got back on Copart and I found this truck. This came in today. Has a good front end, except for one headlight and one fender. So this headlight is good. That headlight will go on this truck, that grill will go on this truck, and that bumper will go on this truck. So basically that front end will go on this truck, and this bed is gonna go onto this one. So this bed is good all the way around till we get here. It's a little crinkled up, but I got a good body man. He will knock this out no problem. So we'll get it fixed up. So basically I'm gonna make 2 trucks out of 3. And yeah, so prices, I paid $7,300 something for that one with only 9,000 miles. I paid $3,098 for this one, and then this one I feel like I kind of overspent, but I guess in the end it will be worth it, because it will basically fix 2 trucks. I paid $4,700 and change for this one. This one $200 for delivery, and then this one was $300 for delivery. So all in all, I'm in it about right around 16,000, I believe, for 3 trucks. A 16, this one books around 12,000. Well, it books around 16,000, but with a salvage title, I think I could sell it for 12,000, 13,000, no problem. And then this truck, blue books at $36,000. And I'm buying this one for myself. I needed the 4x4, so I'm not gonna sell it, but I would say right around 25,000 with a salvage title. This one should be worth. I'm currently driving that one right there. It's a 16 regular cab, 2-wheel drive, just a really basic truck. I did put this front end on it, which I'm kind of planning to put this same front end onto that 2019 and kind of get the blacked out theme going as well for the 2019 classic model. So this is my truck, also a 5.7 Hemi. So yeah, as you can tell, I like the Ram trucks. I always was kind of a Ford guy way back in the day, but after owning my first Bighorn Ram, it was a 15 model, I just never going back to anything else. Just the power on them is amazing. The 5.7 liter puts out almost 400 horsepower. And that little truck brought this thing, and then it also brought this thing right here, the 4x4. So that was quite a load for it. And that white one right there, I had a buddy of mine bring it for us. So yeah, in the next month or so, we will be rebuilding both of these trucks. They should be ready. Shouldn't take too long. None of these hits or accidents aren't too serious. This one may look like it, but honestly, those frame rails are going to be quite easy to replace. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll keep you guys updated with these builds. David,